Hello, good day. My name is Jasbrid Acevedo Forero. In this moment, I'm a student bachelor's degree in the foreign language with emphasis in English at the university in the UNAT. In this exposition, we are talking about two civilization, Eastern civilization, Western civilization. One of the best characteristics in the Eastern civilization is social behavior. They are very assertive people and do not like social conflicts. And in the Eastern civilization, people is more expressive and social. In their Eastern culture, uh, family unity is very important. In the West, they are more independent and like in achieve personal achievements. Mm, in Eastern civilization, they respect authority and the elders. In the Western culture, they believe in the freedom of the expression and human's right. In the Eastern culture, the elders are the ones who will make important decisions. Um, they also say that education is a stronger and hard work, and no more for my exposition. Um, Thank you for paying attention in me work. Bye. Thank you.